Hey guys, so we are almost getting ready for the ride, tomorrow's ride. So I have a couple of things that I have purchased, not especially for this ride, but kind of additional gear going forward to my rides. So here the packing is going on. It will be messy until tomorrow morning. I'll promise you that. So this is the bag that I'm gonna take you, that I'm gonna take actually for tomorrow's ride. So this is nice Royal Enfield's bag. It costed me somewhere around 2,500, and these are Royal Enfield's, knee guards. Level 2 Knox protection, offers superb protection. So that I haven't purchased for this ride. They have been there for some time. So what I have purchased for this ride, I'm gonna show you now. So wait. So this one right here. So I purchased a brand new helmet. This is the MT Hummer series helmet. So this is again DOT, EC and also ISI certified helmet. So looks amazing. I don't know the lighting is fine or not, but it looks amazing. It costed me somewhere around 5,250. So this is a really good polycarbonate shell. And then I have purchased this small one right here. You can see this is the Sena 50s Bluetooth intercom. So what happened is basically the rides that I am going on with, right? So almost all of the riders are having Bluetooth intercom. So I'm unable to contract with them or interact with them during the ride. So it's becoming little difficult. So a Bluetooth intercom makes always life easy. So I have to purchase it, even though it is not in my wish list for this ride, but I have purchased it. So it's gonna be there for long time. And then another one, a safety aspect, again like helmet, I purchased these riding boots. I'll show you. So I have purchased these Orazo riding boots. Looks nice. This has got steel toe over here, so even if you hit any rock or something, so it's gonna be, there's a steel toe, so it offers good protection. It also got reflective tapes at the back. During night they get illuminated. The shoe looks very promising. I mean, most of the riders have been using it, so they given review like it is okay for the rides that we are doing. Not too hardcore off-road, but just as off-road and also occasional off-roading. Most of our riding is going to be on streets, because that's the kind of riders we are. Maybe in future I have a plan to even start trying out off-roading by purchasing some bike like Xpulse or something. That's for the future, but as of now these are the purchases that I have made. Little bit on the expensive side, but I hope they are going to be there for at least next 3 to 4 years. So then it may be kind of worth for all the rides that we are going. I never compromise on safety. At least I know that there are helmets which are way more costlier, but what I can afford, I have purchased the best in that price range. Similarly the shoes and all the stuff. So yeah, it's going to be fun tomorrow, and I hope you guys are following me on Instagram for all the updates for the next 3 days. So I hope you know that we're going to travel on Odisha Chhattisgarh roads border, where it is kind of Naxalite prone area. So the security might be very tight. We have to keep all the papers and all mandatory in order to show them whenever they stop and ask us. So other than that, everything is super crazy. We just need to fill our petrol. Regular checkups on the bike is already done, but small thing like air, small maintenance works and all is already done. Good to go. Tomorrow morning 5 a.m. we are starting. So the riders will be meeting up in Bandar Road, Vijayawada at 5 a.m. and then they will pick up. On the way we'll join them in Golapudi around 5:30 or so. So yeah, I hope it doesn't rain. It shouldn't rain also, because already Maredimilli it has little spoiled because of the rain. Goa spoiled because of the rain. Almost last 2 trips, at least 1 day has been wasted because of the rain. I hope the rain doesn't come for the next 3 days. Please God. Yeah. So yeah, That's it, guys. So chill and take a chill pill, and I'll get these things packed up and get going. Tada!